Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto G56, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application like this one right over here, and then click on Organize tab, select Manage SIM. Give it a moment. It sometimes takes it a moment to load the contacts up from the SIM card. So even if it looks empty, just wait. There we go. So from here, I can see that all the contacts are right now grayed out and deselected. Now that's because all these contacts exist on the default location, which is Google account. Your phone will always try to default to Google account because Android always will prioritize data gathering for Google, because it's Google after all. So, by doing that, importing to their cloud, they're basically giving access to Google to all the contacts. In any case, I'll be selecting device, and from here you can see all the contacts are selected now, so you can uncheck ones that you don't want, and from there click on import. This will then import all the contacts to your specified location, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should be able to see them right here, or you might need to change the display location. So right now it's pulling contacts strictly from the Google account, which you can see right here. So if I tap on this drop down, I can, for instance, select all contacts or custom view. So I'm going to go with all contacts, which also contains the phone ones. And there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.